Hey guys, so what we're going to be looking at today is an automation that'll create a report that'll give you an instant overview of your team's progress on ClickUp without you needing to chase your team for updates. So whether you're an agency owner or a project manager looking to cut through the noise to save time or spot issues early, this will free up hours of your time per week. So let's run through a demo that I'm going to show you guys how you can download this workflow for completely free and then plug it into your end-to-end and get it working for your agency. So when we execute the workflow, it's going to grab all the information from ClickUp, and then it's going to go ahead and route it in two different directions based on the due dates. It'll then grab all the comments and then send to an LLM to be analyzed, which is then formatted and sent to your email. So in the inbox here, you can see that the report did come in and it's divided up into two sections. First section here at the top, this is going to give you a quick rundown of everything that has happened over the last 7 days, including completed tasks, things that are in progress, as well as things that are blocked. It'll give you a quick overview of all the wins, bring forward tasks that are at risk, like due dates that are creeping up, as well as tasks that have been blocked, give you a recommended action that you could take with your team. And at the bottom here, this is going to talk about all the tasks that has been blocked for more than 7 days. So for example, payment gateway integration, this has been blocked for 19 days, this one for 10, and this one for 11. It's going to give you a quick summary as well, and then things that need to be escalated, as well as the suggested action at the bottom here. Now you could structure the report any way you want. It's just based on how you prompt the LLM. Now I'll show you how you can configure this, but first I'm going to show you how you can download this so you can follow along. So to download this automation, click on the link in my description, go to end-to-end template, and this is where you can find all the workflows, including the one in this video. Just click on download template, and once you've done that, open end-to-end, click on the three dots at the top here, import from file, select the JSON file that you just downloaded, and it should appear. Now to configure this, all you have to do is just define how often you want the automation to run. In this case, I just wanted to have it run once a week, but if you do want it to run once a day, all you have to do is change the trigger interval to days and then determine what time you want it to run, as well as how many days in between you want the automation to run. If it's once a day, you could keep it as is, but then again, it's based on how often you want the report to be sent to your inbox. Next, you want to connect your ClickUp credential, and to do that, you just want to open the first ClickUp node here, go to create new credential, and then click on connect my account. It should open up a new window for you that prompts you to sign in and connect your workspace, and then once you've done that, it should be good to go. So once you've connected your credentials in the first node, it should automatically connect to the second node, but if it didn't, all you have to do is just open it up, select on the ClickUp account that you just connected. So to configure the next node here, you want to make sure that this is aligned with how often you want this automation to run. And what I mean by that is, since this node is going to filter for tasks within an X amount of days, you want to just change this value here on how often you want it to run. So if you're going to run this every day, all you have to do is get rid of the 7 times, and this is going to filter for tasks from the last 24 hours. If you want it to run once every 2 weeks, that's 14. Again, it's purely based on how often you want it to run, but make sure that this is aligned with how often the automation is set to run. Next, you want to configure this HTTP node. So under the hood, this is just an API call to ClickUp, but since ClickUp doesn't have a native end-to-end node that allows you to extract comments, we have to make an API call to ClickUp. Now the only thing you need to do here is you want to click on authentication, press predefined credential type, search ClickUp OAuth2 API, and then in the drop down menu here, just select the account that you just connected. So now that should be good to go. Make sure you also connect to this HTTP node down here as well. Right, so now this is where you get to define how you want your report to look like. So opening up the first OpenAI node here, the prompt is pretty much good to go. The only thing you want to modify is the output format here. You could restructure the report here, remove some elements, add new ones, as well as redefining the rules that the LLM should abide by when analyzing the tasks. So again, that's the same with the second LLM node here. What you want to do is just find the output format and then redefine things if you'd like. Cool, so now that that part is done, all you want to do now is you just want to connect your Gmail account to end-to-end, and to do that, open up the Gmail node here. Similar to how you connected your ClickUp account, what you want to do is just press sign in with Google. It'll prompt you to sign in, and then once you've done that, you just want to enter your email here, add a subject, and everything should be good to go. I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you did, I'd really appreciate it if you left a comment, drop a like, and all that fun stuff. See you in the next one.